I welcome you all with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Creator of the universe, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, be on all of you. Myself, Dr. Ahmed Sheikh, PhD, DSc, Doctor of Science, Head of Chemistry, Department, Maharashtra College, Mumbai University, President, Islamic Vision Research Center. Today I will share with you miracles in honeybee. Honey, the top health food, and the hexagonal comb of honeybee is a miracle in itself. Honeybees are of three types: the male, female queen, and the female worker. Female queen, she guides, she instructs, she commands, she stands at the door of the hive, and all the bees enter through her guidance. It is just like a king dictates his matters. Honeybee, as I told you, they are of three types. In a honeycomb, there is always only one queen. And if there happens to be more than one queen, rest of the bees, worker bees, they kill. Thus there is one honeycomb, one group, and one queen. There are 1 to 100 drones, that is males, and many workers. Honeybee queen never mates with the drones of the same hive. It goes in the drone's congregational area and does mating with 10 to 20 drones, that is males. The beauty is that moment drones, that is males, they mate, the male dies. In this process, female queen, she collects around 100 million of sperm in the oviduct. Most of it are used immediately for fertilization, but 5 to 6 million sperms are kept in the spermatheca, which the queen uses throughout her life of 4 years. Here, one more beautiful thing to be noted is, queen decides the sex of progeny, that is the offsprings. As the ovum, the egg passes through ovary to oviduct. If she releases the sperm and it is fertilized, the coming out of spring will be female. It could be female queen or female worker. That depends on the nurse bee, which secretes the royal jelly or bee milk. If she nourishes with the royal jelly, that is the bee milk, for 6 to 16 days, from larva to pupa to adult, then it turns out to be a queen bee. And if it is nourished for a few days, then it is the queen worker. And unfertilized egg, the unfertilized eggs, they are converted into males, that is drones. The role of male is for mating, and in summer season to flap the wings to cool the hive from melting. Since the bees, they collect the food material in summer season, as the winter comes, they rely on whatever they had collected in summer season. So the male happens to be one more mouth to be fed, one more mouth to be fed. So this feeding they don't like. So all the worker bees round them, and all the drones are kicked out from the hive. They die of starvation or cold. Because they do not have their mouth parts so that they can collect the nectar, pollen, and prepare the food. The worker bees, they are such that they recruit the scout bees for flights and for collection of the nectar, pollen, and water. They perform two types of dances. One is the round dance and there is the waggle dance. Round dance they perform indicating that the garden is in the circumference of in the area of 50 meters. If the garden is away from 50 meters distance, then they perform waggle dance. Scout bees, they do assistance and provide direction for the garden. They make 7 to 15 flights for the nectar, less for pollen, and 100 flights for water because the hive needs around 1 liter of water daily. In this way, when they perform this dance, it was 1973 Austrian scientist von Frisch, he got the Nobel Prize for decoding the dance bee. Remember, in glorious Quran, it is mentioned in the 7th century, 1400 years before. The name of the chapter itself is Honeybee, Nahl, Surah Nahl, chapter number. It is mentioned, your Lord taught the bees to build their houses in the hills, on the trees, and human habitations, then eat the produce of the land, that is plants and fruits, and comes from their belly a liquid with varying color, and they follow the path of their Lord, which is easy. Allah is saying, Allah is inspiring to honeybee, and He inspires the bees to build houses in the hills, on the trees, in the human habitation, that is the roof, and then eat the produce of all the plants and fruits, and follow the path of their Lord, which is easy for them, and comes from their belly a liquid of varying color, that is honey, in which there is healing power. Remember, in this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is using feminine gender for the bee worker, Kuli and Fasluki. Earlier it was thought that the honeybee, which does work, collects the nectar, pollen, and water, is a male bee, and it reports to the king. But we know today that it is the female worker, and she reports to the queen, which Quran is talking about in 7th century, 1400 years before. If you remember, William Shakespeare's one play, Henry IV, where he shows some of the characters where he represents bee as a male. So in short, this honeybee, which is collecting the nectar, pollen, and water, and from which it is producing the honey, the top health food, which has got various advantages. Importance of honey, we will see that in honey there are 18 amino acids in small amounts. Honey has got glucose, fructose, maltose, and sucrose. It has got antioxidants, which kills the free radicals causing diseases. Honeybee has got minerals of potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, copper, zinc. honeybee has a good source of vitamins and proteins. Honeybee, which produces the honey, this honey has got number of importance, and it is noticed that it can be used for healing the wound. In fact, in the First World War, Russian soldiers, they used honey for healing the wound. According to a World Weekly magazine, Weekly World magazine from Canada, 17th January 1995, it has given a number of benefits of honey. That is natural honey which is produced by honeybees. This honey, the natural honey, can be used for hair loss, hearing loss, hair loss, dental problem, asthma, arthritis, pimples, longevity, as well as it can be used for heart problem, pimples, bad breath, and number of cases where there is chances of growth of microorganisms, honey can be used. Honey has got good amount of sugar. It contains 80% of carbohydrate, 18% of water, and 2% of amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. Honey, in short, is the complete total health food which can be used for satisfying the hunger, as well as it can be used for curing the diseases. In short, honeybee, honeycomb, and its various applications are a miracle in itself. And glorious Quran talked about this healing power well in advance in 7th century. As I told you, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.